Dermal fillers. How would it change your appearance? In this video, we're exploring a fascinating topic that has transformed the cosmetic industry, dermal fillers. Many of you have asked, how would dermal fillers change my appearance? In this video, we'll answer that question by detailing the transformative effects fillers can have on your facial features. Whether you're looking to enhance your natural beauty or address signs of aging, join us as we uncover the impact of dermal fillers. Number 1. Volume restoration. One of the most noticeable changes that dermal fillers provide is the restoration of lost volume. As we age, our faces naturally lose subcutaneous fat, leading to a more hollow or sunken appearance. Fillers can plump up these areas, such as the cheeks and temples, bringing a youthful fullness back to your face. Number 2. Smoothing of lines and wrinkles. Fillers are fantastic for smoothing out lines and wrinkles that develop as part of the aging process. By injecting fillers beneath the surface of the skin, we can fill in deep lines, such as nasolabial folds, from the nose to the mouth, and marionette lines, from the mouth to the chin, reducing their appearance and giving you a smoother, fresher facial contour. Number 3. Lip enhancement. Another popular use of fillers is enhancing the lips. Fillers can add volume to thin lips, define the lip borders, and even improve the balance and symmetry between the upper and lower lips. The result is fuller, more defined lips that enhance your overall facial aesthetics. Number 4. Improving facial symmetry. Symmetry is often associated with attractiveness, and fillers can play a crucial role in balancing facial proportions. Whether it's adjusting the chin, reshaping the nose, or evening out asymmetrical areas, fillers can make subtle yet impactful modifications that enhances your natural beauty. Number 5. Softening scars. Dermal fillers can also be used to improve the appearance of recessed scars, making them an excellent option for individuals with acne scars or other types of indented scarring on their skin. By filling the scar tissue, fillers help to level the skin surface and improve skin texture. Dermal fillers offer a versatile solution to many common aesthetic concerns, providing significant improvements in facial appearance without the need for surgical interventions. If you're curious about how fillers can specifically enhance your features, we recommend consulting with one of our medical doctors who can provide personalized advice based on your facial structure and aesthetic goals. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell to receive educational updates like this. For personalized care and tailored treatment plans, book a consultation today with one of our experienced professionals at Sparrow MD.